Hey there, my name's Anthony, one of the advisors here at Crutchfield, and I just installed the Alpine Halo9 radio in my car. So some of the features that I love about the Alpine Halo9 radio is it's got a 9-inch touchscreen. That's awesome, and how fast it is. Response time, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I'm using it mostly for Apple CarPlay. I use Apple Maps, Pandora, Spotify, my music. I also use it for HD radio. It's great on that, plugging in a flash drive. Pretty much I use it for everything I could possibly use it for. So the Halo9 sound quality is great. It's got 6 pre-outs with 4 volts on them, which is awesome. I have a full system in my car, so both of my amplifiers for the speakers and subwoofers I have get the best signal coming out of the head unit. And they even have an app that you can take it a step further and just use your phone to adjust everything on the fly. So the installation with the Alpine Halo9 is pretty unique. It's using a single DIN installation opposed to like a double DIN. So most large touchscreen radios are 4 inches tall, and a single DIN is only 2 inches tall. And what's great about that is the Alpine allows you to adjust the screen on where you want it. You can do like up higher or lower so you don't cover up your vents or your controls. Another thing I like about the Alpine Halo is that you don't have to just use Apple CarPlay. You can use its built-in user interface as well. You can play FLAC files from a USB, which is great because it doesn't have CDs. And it's got a built-in HD radio tuner in it, so if you enjoy listening to the radio a lot, when you pick up a radio frequency in HD, it sounds way better than just your typical FM and AM, and you get more channels too as well. So having this radio in my car is awesome. Every time someone sees it, it's a conversation. I love that about it. Hopefully this video here will help you out and you can see the radio, and if you have any other questions, give us a call and we'll help you out.